The outfit's back on, so you know what it's time for. Apparently the footage actually did save, so yay for not having to do the whole video again. I just have to finish the video. Love that. Luna, you want to see outside? Just ask, my baby. We don't want to fuck up the curtains, okay? She was clawing at the curtains. I'll open it for you, don't worry. Anyway, so now I'm gonna do that. It's an exciting day because after, how many months have we lived here? October, November, almost 4 months of living here. We still have no shower curtain because I've been trying to thrift like fabric that I can make into a shower curtain because I haven't really found shower curtains that I like. But I've been really wanting a shower curtain lately because it's been driving me crazy that we don't have one. And so Dalton was like, well, what if we just order one? And I was like, but I don't want to, because we're doing the no-buy, you know? And it came with little things even, which we're not going to use, but could use for something else. So I was like, okay, as long as we find one for less than $10, which we did, then we can buy one. And I'm trying to open it with one hand and I'm struggling so hard. It's like very, it's cute, but it's like, it's $10. So let's take a look, shall we? Okay, it's pretty transparent, which I wanted because we don't have a whole lot of light. Look how cute she is. Actually, she's really cute. Are we gonna need a new one? Probably not. Who knows, honestly. Okay, let's get this house set up. Here we go. Yeah, I think so. It would be more helpful. Actually, no. I would like you to help me, please. Yeah. Because the pinching part, this part is hard and I'm scared with my nails.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Ta-da!
Now we can have some privacy.
Privacy? What do you need privacy for?
If somebody's going to the bathroom or something. Looks cool. Finally looks like a bathroom.
Shut up. He's been wanting a shower curtain too. But I'm like, no, we're gonna thrift one. And then we haven't. I decided to try and make a couple little heart-shaped things to put around the house for Valentine's Day. So we'll see how those turn out. Okay, moment of truth.
Pass it on. Alright guys, I'm going to drape this and I'm going to edit the last vlog, get that up for you guys, and then I will see you for more chores that we're going to do today.
She's
Hello guys, days later, change of plans.
She's cute. Oh my god.
I do not have, as of right now, as much productive days as I wanted to. I did.
Okay, Jen, if you're watching, this is the time to fast forward. I'll put when you need to fast forward to if this is before you've gotten your Valentine's package. Because Jen, my friend, thought that this year it would be fun to make little Valentines for each other. And of course, knowing me, I go crazy. And I had other stuff I wanted to send to her. I already had to send to her and her son anyway. So I got all my craft shit out, and now I'm going to craft while I watch something and make a few Valentines. Alright, we cleaned up my craft supplies. I'm not done crafting, but I'm done for the night. And we watched VeggieTales, the King George and the Rubber Duckies. And we're about to do yoga. We're gonna do yoga and then we're gonna go to sleep. Good night. Look how cute this little wall is. If I'm being so honest, I was supposed to do my nails today, and I probably still will, but like I have just been scrolling on TikTok all day because looks like we got it back, although it's a little sus right now. So I think maybe, I don't know, I'm just kind of keeping it low-key a little bit. But I just need to do the base of my nails. I need to file off all of this shit and then get the base done. I already have the design completely mapped out as well, and I'll do that another day and potentially multiple days, because typically what I like to do is do the base of my nails and then I do like my left hand one day and then I do my right hand the next day, and then usually that's the schedule I go for. But honestly, the designs I'm doing on this one are not really all that crazy. I say that, but watch it be for some reason. We'll see. But eventually I'll be motivated to start my nails. I definitely need to do them today. I already broke one. Look, I'm not flipping you off, but I am. Also, a fact about me, if I'm really upset at someone or something, I flip it off with my entire middle finger. I put the rest of my fingers as far as I can down, and I even like use my thumb to, you know, it's very cathartic. I don't know if that's necessarily the right word, but it feels really good to just flip it off with your whole ass finger. So yeah, but this finger, it chipped the other day, so I need to fix it. Probably not now though. Guess who found herself some motivation? Me. Because I thought about it and I started watching the newest episode of Love Island All Stars, and then it got me thinking that I didn't realize that that even was a thing, and so I haven't even watched the first season. I just started with the second season, and there's like 2 new episodes right now, and I don't know if one of them is like unseen bits or whatever. I hate that shit. So I was like, let me just put on the first season of Love Island All Stars, because the first couple episodes are always the worst. They suck, because I'm just like trying to fucking remember who is who and what's going on. So I'm gonna put that on while I do the base of my nails. Yay for finding motivation. Woohoo! So I got the base of my nails done and I'll do the designs today, tomorrow, sometime this week. Well, it was a pretty uneventful vlog. I haven't been leaving the house a lot because of bird flu. I'm like so paranoid about bird flu. I will not put this baby at risk. I won't do it. My baby's so cute. My baby's so precious. Yeah, I won't put her at risk. So we haven't been going out as much, and then a few plans got shifted around this week, so it was a very chill but also busy week. I did a lot of travel agency work this week, so I feel really good about that. Also, I'm wearing my shirt that I got from the Disney discount store when I worked there, and I got a matching shirt with one of my roommates, Emily. Shout out. So we got these shirts, and then we went to Epcot after that or something like that. I don't recall, but it was a fun time. And that was this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we have a little bit more in the vlog this week. I'll see what I can come up with for us.